Hi, boys.
Tom, try to have more presence of mind about that in the future, would you?
John learning the J stroke.
Good photo op. Amateur boaters floundering in shallow river. That'll be the title. We ditched it. It sank. We must have done it wrong.
We're gonna get grounded.
No, you can't possibly paddle out from it.
Hey, Lewis and Clark.
You can't possibly paddle out.
Do you know paddle symbols?